Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Your teacher JP here. Today we're going to learn how to use object genders correctly in Spanish, how to compare them, and since I'm from Argentina, I'm going to teach you how we actually speak, especially when we want to complain about these subjects. So yeah, let's get started. By the way, I have a few things written down so I don't forget any of these expressions. I'll be checking my notes as we go. I hope you don't mind. First, the rule. If it ends in A, it's feminine. La. Alright? La. If it ends in O, it's masculine. El. El. I said it in English. El. La for feminine, el for masculine. For example, la mesa. The table. La mesa. It ends in A. So it's la. La mesa. La computadora. Computadora. Computer. It ends in A as well. La computadora. So it wouldn't be correct if you said el computadora. It doesn't match. El computadora. So it's la computadora. La mesa. Alright? You follow me so far? I hope so. El auto. It ends in O. El auto, the car. To compare them, we use es más. Is more. For example, this one is more expensive than that one. We're comparing in this case. El auto es más rápido que la bicicleta. El auto es más rápido que la bicicleta. Camila es más rápida que Juan. Camila es más rápida que Juan. Esta mesa es más grande que la otra. Vos sos más alto que yo. That's very Argentinian. We don't use tú, we use vos. In English, you add er, like faster, or use more expensive. In Spanish, it's way easier. You always use es más plus adjective plus que. Es más grande que. Es más chico que. Es más alto que. El auto es más rápido que la mesa. It doesn't make sense what I just said, but you get the point. La computadora es más cara que el sillón. The computer is more expensive than the sofa. Pay close attention here. In English, you just use es. But in Spanish, if the condition is temporary or a current state, es changes to está. This is a classic mistake, so pay attention. El sillón está más sucio que la mesa. The sofa is dirtier than the table. La computadora está más caliente que el auto. Está más. The computer is hotter than the car. Alright? It's overheating at this moment. Now we're going to talk about superlative, which we use to say that something is the most or the least in a group. In this case, we use es el más or es la más, depending on the gender. If it's masculine, we say el auto es el más caro. The car is the most expensive. If it's feminine, la computadora es la más útil. The computer is the most useful. Es la más. Es el más. Es la más. Alright? And that's it for today, guys. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. Seriously. Hit that button because I'm going to Argentina very soon. And I'm going to show you on the streets how native Spanish is actually spoken. You don't want to miss that. Así que ya saben, che. Suscríbanse, dejen su like y nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao. What a nice tea.